Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today video is related to Saturn opposition. So let's start. Saturn will reach opposition when it lies opposite to the Sun in the sky, lying in the constellation Capricornus. It will be visible for much of the night, reaching its highest point in the sky around midnight local time. From New Delhi, it will be visible between 8 p.m. to 5 am. It will become accessible around 8 am when it rises to an altitude of 10 degrees above your southeastern horizon. It will reach its highest point in the sky at 12:30 am, 42 degrees above your southern horizon. It will become inaccessible around 4:56 am when it sinks below 10 degrees above your southwestern horizon. A close approach to the Earth. At around the same time that Saturn passes opposition, it also makes its closest approach to the Earth, termed its perigee, making it appear at its brightest and largest. This happens because when Saturn lies opposite to the Sun in the sky, the Earth passes between Saturn and the Sun. The solar system is lined up with Saturn and the Earth on the same side of the Sun. A comparison of the size of Saturn as seen at Saturn opposition 2021 and at solar conjunction. Saturn orbits much further out in the solar system than the Earth, at an average distance from the Sun of 9.54 times that of the Earth, and so its angular size does not vary much as it cycles between opposition and solar conjunction. The rings of the Saturn will be angled to show its northern hemisphere at this opposition, and the rings will incline at an angle of 18 degrees to our line of sight, making them very well presented. The graphs below show the changing inclination of Saturn's ring over time. The black line indicates their inclination to our line of the sight from the Earth. A negative angle indicates that the North Pole is tipped toward us, while a positive angle indicates that we see the South Pole. An angle close to zero means Saturn's ring appears close to edge on. The red line indicates the inclination of the rings to the Sun's line of the sight to the planet. Interesting phenomena can occur when the rings are very close to edge on. If the Sun illuminates one side of the rings while we see other, at such times we see the unilluminated side of the rings. If you guys want to learn astronomy, then join iAstronomer Club through learn.spaceindia.com. This club is linked by NASA. This club contains children that want to learn astronomy. So go and join. If you guys love my video, then like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Joining club link in description. Goodbye.